Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on IELTS Writing Task 1, Bar Chart. In this lesson, I will show you a very simple and effective way to answer bar chart questions and score band 7 or higher. Don't worry if you feel confused. I will explain everything step by step in an easy and clear way. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to write an introduction, how to write a perfect overview, how to explain details with correct vocabulary. So let's get started. Let's begin with the introduction. The introduction is very simple. It is just 1 or 2 sentences. Your job is to paraphrase the question, not copy it. Paraphrasing means using different words with the same meaning. For example, instead of saying shows, we can say provides information about, so we write. The bar chart provides information about the percentages of divorces in Finland and Sweden between 2011 and 2015. Remember, always include what the chart shows, the time period. Keep it short, simple, and clear. Now let's move to the overview, which is the most important part. If you want a high band score, your overview must be clear. Start with the word overall. In this part, we don't write numbers. We only describe the main trends. For example, Sweden shows a downward trend, it goes down. Finland shows an upward trend, it goes up. Both countries have some changes, fluctuations. Finland becomes higher at the end. So, the overview is like a summary of the whole chart. No details, just main ideas. Now we start writing the details. First, we describe Sweden. In 2011, it is about 45%. It increases to almost 50% in 2012. Then it starts decreasing. Finally, it reaches about 37% in 2015. Here, we must use exact numbers. Use good vocabulary like rose, increased, decreased, declined. This shows the examiner that you understand the data clearly. Now let's look at Finland. It starts at less than 40% in 2011. It goes down slightly in 2012. Then it increases steadily. It reaches around 39% in 2013. And finally, it becomes higher than Sweden in 2015. Important tips. Use words like increased, remained steady. Compare with Sweden when possible. This makes your answer more professional and clear. So, to get a good score in IELTS Writing Task 1, just follow this structure: introduction, overview, details, country 1. Details, country 2. Keep your language simple, clear, and well organized. Practice this structure, and you can easily achieve band 7 or higher. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice.